and welcome to my channel. If you love cooking and fresh herbs, you're going to love this, because today I'm going to teach you how to get unlimited amount of fresh herbs like basil or any other herbs. Okay, I'm going to explain this step by step. This is a basil, this is organic from my local store, but I want more. This is not enough for a year's supply or something like that. So get your herbs and buy organic if possible. With you want some of these which have some soil, real soil over here, and then you just check that it's green, it's okay, and choose 2 or 3 little plants, cut it from the bottom like this. I will take 2 today. There's 1 like this, and when you have these 2, you need to prepare these. I will show you how. Okay, get a cutting board and one very sharp knife. If you have long leaves, you need to remove all the leaves except the top main leaves. You can't touch these. These are the main leaves. If you have small leaves over here, just tear them off with really careful, and then you should have small plants like these, top leaves and the rod. So then take your knife and make a cut. You want to make this cut like this, and another one like this. It needs to be a fresh cut. Don't use scissors or anything like that. And that is the starting point for the new plant. Then you need a small container. Try to use something which is not transparent, because it's not always the best, but this works fine. I have used this for a very long time, but nothing too big and nothing too small. About this size, this is good. Dessert container, and you need to fill it with water. You can simply fill it with tap water. Room temperature water is fine. Try to fill it almost to the top, like this. Now you simply take these 2 little fellows and put them to the water, but leave these main leaves on the surface. You can use strings or matchsticks or any kind of support if you need, but I have always done like this, and this works really fine. So this is it. Now leave it for a week or 2 and make sure that the rods are in the water, and you can change the water after 3 or 4 days. If you see something growing over there, something unwanted, of course you want to change the water, but usually what I have seen, it's not necessary. But yeah, let's see what's happened. Okay, after a week or 2, you should see something growing on these little rods, and these are already really old. You can see these have long roots, and another one, and these are ready to be planted to the soil, and you can always use another little plants in the same water. When these little plants are starting to grow the new roots, they will inject some kind of grow hormone to the water. So when you change the water, some of the hormone is washed out, but some of them is still included in the roots. So never wash it. Just leave it like this. When you plant these little new herbs to the soil, always use organic soil or something that is meant to be for the plants, which is eaten. I have used this kind of soil, which is meant to be for herbs. This is really good. When you have planted this to the soil, after some weeks they keep growing and producing you more basilica and other herbs, whatever you have decided to grow. And when these are grown enough, you can just take another little plant and repeat the procedure, and you have unlimited supply of the herb you have chosen. If you want to see more hacks and tips like this, subscribe and see you in next video.